In this guide, I'll show how to send crypto from Revolut to another wallet. I'll move crypto from my Revolut account to my Kraken wallet. Start by opening Revolut, tap Hub in the bottom right corner. Under the Wealth section, choose crypto from the options. Search for Bitcoin, then tap to open your BTC wallet. First, I need to buy Bitcoin, so I'll hit buy here. I'll purchase 10 euros of Bitcoin, then confirm the transaction. Once I have BTC, I can now send it to my external wallet. Go to the BTC wallet again and select the send option. Tap new at the top right and choose crypto wallet. Revolut reminds you to use the correct network for sending. This means using the Bitcoin network, not others like ETFi. Tap got it to move to the wallet address screen. Paste your BTC wallet address from the receiving exchange. To get it, go to Kraken and open your Bitcoin deposit tab. Inside Kraken, open Bitcoin wallet and tap deposit. Pick the network. Revolut uses Bitcoin, so match it here. Select Bitcoin in Kraken and copy the shown wallet address. Paste this address in Revolut where it asks for destination. Make sure the network is Bitcoin, then hit continue. Add a label for the address. I'll name this one Kraken. You'll get a 6-digit code from Revolut to verify this. Type in the code and the address will be saved. Revolut suggests sending a small test before full transfers. Enter the amount you want to send to your crypto wallet. Always double check the address and network before sending. A wrong address or network can cause permanent loss. If all looks right, hit send and you're done. You've now successfully sent crypto from Revolut to another wallet, and that's the full method for crypto transfer from Revolut